thank you for coming back to my channel, The Honest Traveller. As you can see, the famous arch in the distance, which means Wembley, and that means we're in London. So we're going to have a look at the sights on our family day out in the centre, all the usual. But first we're going to go to Bubble Planet, which is just down here. So yeah, let's go. So here we are, Bubble Planet. It's cost about £75 for the three of us, 2 adults and 1 child. So they reckon about 2 hours inside here, so let's go in, take a look. Okay.
No jump.
Okay. I've been told. Yeah. Or do you have to go fast so it doesn't bend in? Yeah. Ah, yeah, that's the... Wow. So just come out of Bubble Planet. So yeah, I enjoyed it. It was good. I think Maria probably enjoyed it more than I did, and Rosie. So, but it, you know, on the whole, it was quite a good, slightly different experience. Whether I'd go again, probably not. No, it's not probably as good as what I expected. I mean, the price was a bit high. Cost about £75 for 3 of us. About 2 hours we were in there. So, but it was different. It was a good experience, I suppose. I mean, the one thing that sort of did annoy me, and I heard other people moaning about it as well a little bit, is they had like a 3D sort of virtual reality area where you could put the goggles on and experience, and they wanted to charge for that. I mean, it wasn't much money, it was about £3 each, but we decided just let Maria have a go, and we didn't bother. But I thought for the entry fee to get in, I thought they could have not charged for that. But on the whole, yeah, it was good, and it was for Maria's birthday, so yeah, good. She enjoyed it. So, you know, on to the next. So we're going to go into the central London and see the sights, which will be on my next video. So if you can stick around and look for that video and watch that, it'd be greatly appreciated. Also, as always, if you can like and subscribe to my channel, every bit helps. I'm trying to sort of make the most of these videos that I'm putting on. So whatever help anyone can give and support, it's always greatly appreciated. So yeah, thanks, and I'll see you on the next one.